Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. This is the Kampala flyover. Right in the middle of Kampala. You see this man carrying banana. If you think things are easy. If you think things are easy, things are not easy. Anyway, this is the Kampala flyover and we are heading to industrial area, yeah? We are heading to industrial area. We are going to check out what's happening at Mukwano Road. There is some recent road construction that is going on. So there is road construction at Mukwano Road. Then we are going to check out how far with 8th Street and Namuango Road and 5th Street and then Morana Road. And the video will end somewhere there, Lethuli Avenue, yeah? So, this is what is going on. This is happening. Come with me. Let's go and check it out, yeah? As you know, this place is usually full of confusion and congestion. And, the traffic officer was asking for the driving permit. I had to cut that part out because he was there saying, now driving permit, now third party, now... You know how it goes. By the way, I have all of those things. So, with the lights, let us go. Obviously, I was heading out as well. So guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you are returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I really do appreciate you being here. In case you do enjoy the video, please like the video, give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment, let me know the areas you'd like to see, let me know what you think about everything, all the roads we are going to pass via, the surroundings and everything that is happening, yeah? Give me a comment, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. People paying for membership, thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. So let us carry on. This is us heading out. We are going to check out what is happening. But the people who put the markings on this road, the markings have stayed, Bambi. You see the white ones, the white lines in the road. These ones have stayed for a while. They use the right kind of paint. So this is me passing under in the go down, because I usually pass on top there when I'm heading to Arena or heading to Gaba, wherever. So this is me taking you down in the go down. The go down or the underpass or the tower. This is how it looks like. That tunnel, that is the light at the end of that tunnel that they sing about. I know, that is how short it is. And then we are done. We are out. I know, right? So anyway, let's carry on. Let's go and check out what's going on here. Somewhere there on the right, there is Mestil. Somewhere there on the right, yeah? There is Mestil and there is the Marriott Hotel, the new one. We would have seen it if at all we had passed up. But since we've passed down, we've not seen it, yeah? Then somewhere here, we are going to be joining Mukwano Road. This is not Mukwano Road. But somewhere there, we are going to be joining Mukwano Road, just right here. On the left, that's the Mukwano factory, you know, where they make the soap and the plastics and all that. You can make a U-turn here, though I think when they finish construction, that won't be possible, but you can make a U-turn there. And this is what is going on with the road construction. Do you see? They dug out the old rotten tarmac and then they nicely did the soil. As you can see, the soil is flat and all that. So I'm thinking they'll be putting for us new tarmac very soon, yeah? But a few weeks back, there were quite a lot of potholes going on here. A lot of potholes going on here a few weeks back. But this is the current state of the road. Current state of the road at the moment, I do not know when they will finish because, well, you know how it goes with Kampala roads that are being constructed or renovated. You know how it goes, but well, I'll keep on updating you, yeah? So the road on the right, there is a road on the right. It takes you to Chibuli. It can take you up to Chibuli, or it can take you to the CID and that area there around there, yeah? This is still Mukwano on the left and on the right, I think, because sometimes trucks are coming from the left and they are crossing over to go to the right. I mean Mukwano Industries, factories and industries. The road is Mukwano Road. So if you keep on going with this road, it takes you to Ginger Road. You know those lights where I usually say that if you take the right, it's going to take you to Mukwano Road. This is where the right would bring you. So if you continue going, there is a roundabout there, and then it would lead you to Ginger Road, the Ginger Road lights that I mention all the time when we have videos that side, yeah. So anyway, that's not where we are headed. We are headed to industrial area, and this is the 8th Street. This road was also under um some time back, and this is what is going on at the moment. They are literally done. Sidewalks are okay, as you can see. People are walking. There were train tracks somewhere here, but I don't think the train will be passing this side anytime soon or anytime in the future. You see, railway crossing just right here at the front. But when the trucks come, they stop there. Someone built a fence there on the right. Somewhere built a fence there on the right. So I do not know if that person bought the land with the trucks and decided to just close it out or something. But I don't think the train will be moving that side. In fact, I don't think the train will be moving anywhere anytime soon, since, well, it's the same person in power who hasn't made any effort to make it move for 40 years. You know what I mean, eh? But anyway, this is the roads. This is what is going on. Sidewalks on both sides, paved, nice. Tarmac, smooth. Road markings, not yet. Speed bumps, the little ones, I think you can see them, quite a lot of them. This is 8th Street. If you take the right takes you to Green Hill. You know that road that has Green Hill, then still Chibuli, and then you keep going, yeah? That's the right. So we have Daily Monitor on the left over there. Now this road is Namuango Road. The minute you reach the other bit that has the branching off to Green Hill, it becomes Namuango Road. So this is Namuango Road. And yeah, it was also under construction. As you can see, the tarmac is still new and all that. Tarmac is still new. The road is still fresh. We don't have many potholes going on yet. And this is what is happening in this area. This is what people do. This is what people do in this area. I've just seen a signpost that is saying scaffolds. So things this way are serious business. I think they're lending out scaffolds and because I'm trying to figure out the business is going on here. I am seeing borders packed, picking some things, I think. And of course, we are seeing shops, builders. That signpost is saying builders. We have a new building on the right over there. Do you see? Hey, new building, make money. You know, that's what follows every time we see a new building. I have to remind you to make money. Temuzikiza, do not. No. We have to look for this money. So, this is it. There is a road on the left there where the cars are coming from. It takes you down to 7th Street, yeah? This is Namuango Road, but that road where that car is coming from takes you down to 7th Street in industrial area, yeah? This area is Namuango because this is Namuango Road. Namuango stroke industrial area, there like that. It's the mixture of the two, the intersection of the two. But this is the road. We do have rubbish there on the left. Rubbish is also going to become a symbol of Kampala. Hopefully the new elected people in charge are going to do the right thing, because everywhere we go, actually not only Kampala, Uganda at large, you know what I mean? Borders, dust, electricity poles and wires, rubbish, when normally potholes, road renovations, because that's what we see everywhere we go, Anyway, this is us going on and carrying through. As I mentioned, we are going to head somewhere there, Lethuli Avenue, yeah? Border guys, do you see how crazy these people are? He really sees you entering the road and then he just comes right past you. I know sometimes when I'm on a border, it's me telling the border guy, pass there, but and then when you're driving, you just don't like what they do. Kwegamba, the irony of life. Ah! Anyway, guys, we are moving forward. This is what is happening here. They still have some roads to do. The roads that join. This one is almost done, as you can see. Actually, sort of done because the tarmac is done, sidewalks are done. Maybe the road markings to go. But the roads that go up, that branch off to go up to meet the other road up, those ones are still lacking, very much so. But as for that one, the road we've been on, if you continue, keep on going until the market, totally done. Guys, there is a big building over there on the right. Do you see? On the right, but overhead, there. There's a big building, very big building coming through. Then we have railway tracks over here. I don't think the train passes here anymore either. I don't think it passes here anymore. I think the only routes we have are the only routes I told you about in the video of the train, yeah? You remember the video of the train that I did? In case you haven't watched it, please look for it on the channel. I think those are the only routes that we have at the moment, unless otherwise, in case there are any new ones, I'll let you know. So all these old railway lines, I don't think anything... I think we just have to bury them. I think we just have to bury them because I don't think they're going to be revived. But anyway, you see that road straight forward? That is 7th Street. If you go straight forward, yeah, that is 7th Street. It leads you to the roundabout that is on Mukwano Road, yeah. And now this is 5th Street. As you can see, construction has been going on, still going on. This side, the sidewalks have not been made yet. As you can see, we have the tarmac though. This area was rotten, very rotten. As a matter of fact, very rotten, to the point that you would fall in a pothole and your radio station would change. It was that rotten. But now you see. Anyway, I think they have not made this middle part yet, because I was going to say they've made the road, but we are having holes already. But from there to somewhere there, they've sort of skipped it out. I think they'll come back to it, yeah. Just like I always show you in those videos where we are seeing the road construction, they usually make a part and then they skip out a part and then make a part. I think it's easier for them that way. So this road was very rotten, in that you would jump into a pothole and your radio station would change and the car would just vibrate. Now the small ones, you see those small ones, Vitsi, Paso, they could even disappear in the hole. Whenever you trained, some of them would disappear in the potholes, or some of them would be carried away by the rain. I'm not even joking, guys. I know I'm laughing, but I'm not joking. I know you've seen these videos on TikTok or somewhere. Anyway, this is Morana Road. And it was also very nasty with very bad potholes. And they're sort of working on it, but the potholes keep on coming back. Do you see? They work on it and then they keep on coming back, and then they work on it and they keep on coming back. I don't know what that deal is. I don't know, maybe heavy trucks, or that place is always wet. You see that place there on the right? It is always wet. Over we do have Nsulo under there. You guys told me Nsulo are springs, right? I think we do have Nsulo under there. That part is always wet, and then the potholes always originate from there whenever they come back again. They're trying, though. They try to walk, because you see this part now is okay. Okay-ish. I was saying okay until I saw the potholes that are forming. But okay, this part is okay-ish, but then the other part is just nasty. The holes are so deep. Anyway, let me show you. This is what is going on. This is what is happening. On the left, we have Mukwano Mat. On the left there, they're building something for Mukwano. It should be for Mukwano. That's Mukwano Mat. Then on the right here, we have Henley Business Park. I think it's going to have like different shops and stores and all that, yeah? Like a business park, like our business park is. Then on the right, we have Nice House of Plastics. Yes, somewhere there on the right, we have the Nice House of Plastics. This is Morana Road. that we are on at the moment. And now the road we are joining, this is Lethuli Avenue. That's the road that we are on right now. Looks like it's also undergoing construction in bits, because actually most of the roads that you're seeing under renovation have been nasty, very, very nasty, but now they're just trying to, put them back together. Yeah, so if you continue going forward, there is construction going on there. The cars are not using that road. If you continue going forward, but now me, I was stopping somewhere here. Yeah, so thank you guys for being here, and I'm going to be seeing you in our next video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video. Are people paying for membership? Thank you very, very much. And once again, I'm going to leave a link in the comments for the village life, the channel about village life. In case you are interested, you can check it out and subscribe and watch and share, and you know how it goes. Yeah, so thank you guys for being here, and I'll be seeing you in our next video. Yeah, bye now.